Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer communication skills with Tandem, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Tandem app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a free account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, you will see a prompt to set your language preferences. Choose the languages you wish to practice and the languages you can teach. Next, navigate to the home page where you can browse potential language partners. Take your time to read through profiles and find someone whose interests match yours. Send a connection request to your selected partner. Wait for them to accept your request to begin communication. Once connected, initiate a conversation through text, voice, or video chat. When starting a conversation, introduce yourself and set clear goals for improving your communication skills. Focus on practicing specific skills like pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar during your chats. Use the app's built-in features like text correction and translation tools to enhance your learning. Take turns speaking in both languages to ensure reciprocal learning. Regularly schedule sessions with your partner to build consistency. After each session, reflect on what you learned in areas where you can improve. Remember to provide constructive feedback to your partner to help them grow as well. Utilize Tandem's community features to join group conversations and discuss topics of interest. Engage with others and broaden your communication experience beyond one-on-one sessions. Stay committed and practice regularly for the best results in transferring your communication skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.